viewers, I welcome you in my YouTube channel CQ Ms. Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start chapter number 4 and the name of this chapter is Practical Geometry. Today we are going to discuss the case number 1 when the lengths of 4 sides and the diagonals are given. In this case, the measurement of 4 sides are given and 1 diagonals are also given. So we are trying to construct a quadrilateral on the basis of these given measurements. Now we are going to understand the case number 1 with the help of question number 1 of exercise 4.1. In this exercise, the measurements are given like this: AB equal to 4.5 cm, BC equal to 5.5 cm, CD equal to 4 cm, AD equal to 6 cm and AC equal to 7 cm. Before we draw the rough diagram for this particular quadrilateral, first we are identifying which one is the diagonal in this. So we read it very carefully. This is AB equal to 4.5 cm, BC equal to 5.5 cm, CD equal to 4 cm, AD equal to 6 cm and AC equal to 7 cm. After reading it, we easily understand after A, B comes, so it is the side. After B, the C comes, so it is also the side. After C, the D comes, so it is also the side. And after D, again the A comes, that's why it is also a side. So initial 4 measurements are the measurements of side. The last one is the measurement of diagonal. So first we draw this diagonal. Suppose it is our diagonal, so the race point B and D are left. So and D comes on the downside. This is our AB. AB is 4.5 centimeter. So suppose the B point is here. We are joining A with the B. This is 4.5 centimeter. Again, this is BC. It is BC. BC equal to 5.5 centimeter. We are joining BC 5.5 centimeter. Similarly, it is AD. This is AD 6 centimeter. So we are joining A with the D. It is 6 centimeter. And this is CD. CD equal to 4 centimeter. We join C with D. This is 4 centimeter. So our rough diagram for this particular quadrilateral is look like this. This is our A, B, C, D, in which the diagonal is AC. Drawing the quadrilateral ABCD, the first steps of construction. The step number 1 is draw AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. So first we are drawing the AB equal to 4.5 centimeter with the help of pencil and ruler. In our next step number 2, draw an arc taking radius 5.5 centimeter. So from point B, this is our point B, and from this point we are taking the radius 5.5 centimeter on rounder, and we are drawing the arc from point B 5.5 centimeter. So our arc look like this. This is 5.5 centimeter arc. Step number C. After this, in our point number C, taking radius 7 centimeter, draw another arc from point A. This is our point A, and we are taking radius of 7 centimeter on rounder, and draw one more arc which intersect the first arc at point C. So from this point A, we are drawing one arc of 7 centimeter. It intersects our first arc at point C. It is 7 centimeter. Join BC and AC. Now we are joining B with C and AC, A with C. In our next point, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter from point A. One more time, this is our point number A and the radius is 6 centimeter. So we are drawing one more arc from point A like this with the help of rounder. So it is our 6 centimeter arc from point A. Draw another arc of radius 4 centimeter from point C. This is our point number C, and the radius is 4 centimeter, and one more time we are drawing one more arc with the help of rounder. Radius of this arc is 4 centimeter. It is draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter from point A and draw another arc of radius 4 centimeter from point C. These two arcs are already drawn, which intersects at D. So at this point we are getting our point number D. Now in our last point, join AD and CD. Join AD. This is our A, this is our D. We are joining A with D, and CD. This is our C and this is our D. We are joining C with D. Finally, it is our required quadrilateral ABCD.